Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 10 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to access calendar and click at the bottom right corner. Then just go it and tap on the month above. Pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. From here you need to select event. Now you can customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title to it, pick starting or ending hour, turn off this feature by tapping on the switcher next to all day, and even add location by tapping on add location over here, selecting while using the app or only this type, typing wherever you wish to, and clicking on the correct one. You can also set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, take notes and some other things. When ready, just save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was created. You can edit it by clicking on it, tapping on this pen icon over here and making your changes. For example, I will turn off my notifications. Remember to click save at the top right corner. If you wish to get rid of your event though, you can always do that by clicking on it, but this time tapping on those three dots at the top right corner, selecting delete and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!